Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Mike Wood, Southeast Recruiting Manager with Orion Talent. It's DCC season here in the Raleigh office. Our DCCs are our Distinguished Candidate Conferences, which are key events for us to run throughout the year. They focus on strategic level hiring managers that are looking for folks for project management roles, operations management roles, sales and leadership development, as well as engineering positions. So they look for a candidate that has a bit of geographic flexibility. They look for folks that have backgrounds that stand out. So maybe that's an advanced degree, maybe it's a top tier unit in the military, or maybe it's an academy graduate. The point is that we're looking for the best and the brightest that the military has to offer for our hiring managers that are looking for the same. If you'd be interested in this event, myself, Chris Hurst, and Alyssa Muscarello will be putting it together. It's on October 28th and 29th in Atlanta, and we would like to talk to you about it further.